I am giving you 4 coordinates in the map. Will you be able to identify the locations? Need not be the exact location, but a rough estimate is more than enough. 35 degrees north, 67 degrees west. 50 degrees south, 72 degrees west. 24 degrees north, 58 degrees east. 33 degrees south, 150 degrees east. Did it ring a bell? If no, don't worry. Today, let's look at how we are able to locate the coordinates on the map of Earth. Let's dive into our Earth and explore how is a point located on our Earth. You could be from Africa, Australia, America, Asia, or from any tiny little point of this Earth. All of us have an unique address, in terms of the coordinates, which are known as latitude and longitude and measured and denoted in angles. We all know the Earth is a spinning sphere and the center of the spin is the Earth's axis, as shown here, as the vertical line. This line meets the Earth's surface at the top, which is called the North Pole, and at the bottom, which is the South Pole. Connecting the North Pole and South Pole through an imaginary vertical line is called as prime meridian. In order to have a reference, internationally, it has been accepted this line to pass through Greenwich, London, which is called as prime meridian. This reference is defined as 0-degree longitude. This vertical line passes across the globe, as shown. So, this prime meridian line divides the Earth into Western Hemisphere and Eastern Hemisphere. The lines passing through eastern part is written as 0-degree to 180-degree east, and the one which passes along the Western Hemisphere is written as 0-degree to -180-degree west. The line which passes through 180-degree longitude is known as International Date Line, and it is directly opposite of the prime meridian. So, when a person crosses the International Date Line traveling from west to east, they move up 1 day. They move back 1 day when traveling east to west. Well, one can draw these imaginary lines as close as possible to get the exact position of your spot. The measuring distance along east or west of the prime meridian gives the distance, and lines running north-south, that is, meridians, is the direction or angle. The angle varies from -180-degree west to 180-degree east. The lines of longitude are equal in length and are halves of great circles. Now, when you draw horizontal imaginary lines across the Earth, we call it latitude. The equator, running around the center of the Earth, divides the planet into north and south hemispheres. The horizontal lines drawn from the equator to the top is also known as parallels, as they form parallel lines. The lines run in an east-west direction. Latitude measures distance north or south from the equator. And, as we can see, the circle at the equator is the longest distance, and when it starts moving away towards the pole, it becomes the shortest. The equator crosses the prime meridian at right angles. The distances between each degree of latitude are, more or less, constant and are close to 111 kilometers. Lines of latitude or parallels of importance include Tropic of Cancer at 23.5 degrees north parallel, Tropic of Capricorn at 23.5 degrees south parallel, Equator at 0 degrees, Arctic Circle at 66.5 degrees north parallel, and Antarctic Circle at 66.5 degrees south parallel. Together, the lines of latitude and longitude can describe the location of any place on Earth. So, now if locating the places of the given coordinates in a broader sense is 35 degrees north, 67 degrees west is Atlantic Ocean. 50 degrees south, 72 degrees west is Argentina. 24 degrees north, 58 degrees east is Muscat, Oman. 33 degrees south, 150 degrees east is Sydney, Australia. Explore your coordinates and have fun.